girl, Miss Fluffy, back with another video. For today's video, I'll be making shrimp and grits. You heard me, shrimp and grits, a nice southern dish. I'm gonna put a little island twist to it, a little Caribbean twist to it, just a little bit, tweak it, amplify it, just a little bit. Y'all already know that I like to make quick, simple, easy, delicious meals. Okay, if you're new to my channel, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. And turn on your notification, guys. Turn on your notifications so you can know every time I post up, you will get notified. Your girl can't sing. If you're old, you're returning to my channel, thank you for being awesome. Thank you for staying down with your girl. Okay, thank you for watching my crazy videos. Without further ado, let's get into the video. Okay, let's go. Alright guys, so what you're gonna need is some shrimp, of course. I'm using jumbo shrimp. You're gonna need chili powder, garlic, Creole seasoning. You're gonna need jerk seasoning. The one jerk seasoning I use. Yes, I'm using mild. There you go. Some black pepper, ketchup, and you're gonna need some bell pepper. I'm using green, yellow, and I got some onion and some celery. I'm gonna save those for later. For the grits portion, yes, I'm just using this one, 5 minutes. 5 minutes, quick oats. You're gonna need butter. I'm using mild and sharp cheddar cheese. Some milk. Let me turn over here. Alright guys, so right now I have my stove on medium high. I'm gonna add 2 cups of water in here. 2 cups, and I'm gonna add a little bit of salt. Just a little bit, not too much. Just a dab. Then I'm going with my jerk seasoning. Flavor up the water. Oh shit. Oh my god. Make sure you use a spoon. Don't be throwing stuff in there, okay? I'm actually take some out. I can refilm this part, but I'm gonna leave this. I think it's funny. It's hilarious to me. Cracks me up. Let me just take out some more of that. Alright, that's good enough. So I'm gonna just cut the temp to high. Just let this jerk flavor season up. I'm gonna go in with 1 cup of grits. I hope I said grits earlier, not oatmeal. 1 cup of grits. So I'm gonna cut this back down to medium. Make sure you stir this around. Stir it around, pay attention to it. As soon as you blink, thing clog up and burn up. Just mix this around. And I'm gonna add 1 cup of milk in there as well. So I'm gonna let this cook up some more. Then I'm going with my milk and my butter and my black pepper. Make sure this well seasoned up. Honestly, if you guys have high blood pressure and whatnot, you could cut back on these. Nobody not try, you know what I say? Just cut back on the jerk seasoning, cut back on the salt. Definitely cut back on the cheese. I'm gonna cut that down. I'm gonna go with 1 cup of milk in here. Ooh, be careful because this thing popping everywhere. Pop, lock, and drop. So right now I cut my temp to low. I just cut it down to low. Yes. Yes, you see that? So I'm gonna cover this up and just let it do its thing. Okay. Just let this do its thing. And I'll be right back. You see that splash is splashing everywhere. So be mindful of that. Alright guys, so right now I have my temp on medium high. I'm gonna go with my shrimp. I'm using 6 shrimp. Already cleaned and deveined. Woo! Woo! Yes! Yes. So just let these bad boys cook up. I'm just going with my Creole seasoning. Just put that all over that. And I'm gonna go with my chili powder. You don't want too much of this. Then I'm gonna just crack some black pepper over this. Man, I love shrimp. I can eat shrimp or seafood, whatever, all day, every day. I'm a seafood type of person. Eat that every day. I'm gonna go with my jerk seasoning. Just a little bit. You would think I would learn by now and use a spoon. But nope. They can't hear, you will feel. I'm gonna flip these over. Flip them over. Remember guys, shrimp don't take long to cook at all. Shrimp don't take long at all. Alright. So what I'm gonna do next, some of this gravy over there. I'm gonna go with my bell pepper and my onion and all that goodness. I'm just add these bad boys to the side. Put those over there. And we'll just add some. Just add some parsley in here. Just a little bit. So I'm gonna do with the bell pepper and all that. I'm gonna just add a little Creole seasoning. Just a little bit. Oh, this looks good. This looks turned up. Yes. Oh yeah. Smells so good. I'm gonna cover this up and let it cook. Let it cook for a little bit. I'm gonna cut my temp down to medium low. Medium low. Let's go check on the grits. Go check on the grits. Alright guys, let's look at the grits. Whoa. Looks good. Make sure y'all can see. Yep. Perfect. So I'm gonna go with piece of cheese. Now I'm gonna go with butter. I'm just using that much, not too much. And I'm gonna go with my mild cheddar cheese. You're gonna need like 1 cup of each. 1 cup of mild and 1 cup of sharp. But they want it to be cheesy. Alright, I'm gonna go with my sharp cheddar. 1 cup of that. Or close to a cup. Depends on how cheesy you want your grits. It's all up to you. So I'm just mix this bad boy around. Right now my temp is on low. You don't want this on high. I'm telling you, when you're cooking grits, you don't want your temperature on high. You don't want to burn it up. You hear me? You don't want to burn it up. So I'm just continuing mixing this. Yes. Looks good, you know? Watch it. Y'all can't tell me this ain't creamy. This looks so good. My big old hand in the way. Oh, wow. Looks so good. I'm gonna cover it up and just keep it on, keep the temp on low while I finish up the shrimp. Alright, so come back. Alright guys, so I totally forgot to add my garlic. So I'm gonna go in there with a little bit, just a little bit of garlic. And I'm gonna add some water in here. I'm gonna bring the temp back up to medium high. And I'm going with my ketchup. But don't tell us that ketchup in everything. I put ketchup in everything. Cut that up real high. Just mix that around. Wow. This looks so good. So good. Hold on. See, you don't have to use shrimp if you don't want to. You can use sausage. You can use tilapia. Well, some people don't like tilapia, but you can use anything with this. It looks so yummy. So I'm gonna just cover this up and let it just cook down for a little bit more, and that's it, guys. And we're done. I'm just plate it up and let y'all see. I'm gonna do a little taste test. Yes, let y'all know how it really tastes. You don't know, so come back. Alright guys, so I'm gonna plate this up for y'all. So here goes the grits. Yo, this looks so good. No lie. Let's mix that around. Oh my god. Yes. Oh man, so good. I'm gonna just add my shrimp. Just add shrimp on top of this. Oh man. Yes. This is so good. Let me get rid of this. Clean up this plate. Presentation is key. Just sprinkle some of that juice all over it. Oh yeah. I'm gonna go with some parsley, sprinkle that all over that. There you guys have it. Shrimp and grits, island style, Jamaican style, however you want to call it style. Let me get a close up on that. See, they red. Nobody can, y'all, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel now, because this is bomb. Y'all can't tell me nothing. This is amazing. So we'll come back with a taste test. Alright guys, so the only thing left for me to do is taste it. Yes. Let me show you this way. If y'all can see, get close up in there. Yes. Let's light in socks. But this is it. Let me give it a taste test. Let me get some grits and shrimp. Ooh. You see that? You see that? Let me get up in there. If I can see. Ooh, let's try it. So good. Taste the Caribbean flavor in this. Can't tell me nothing. The grits is nice and cheesy. They got the shrimp with the bell pepper. garlic and all that. Wow. So good. So good. Y'all don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to my channel. Yo. That's it. So good. Y'all need to go make this recipe. Simple, easy, and delicious. And it's not salty at all. Not at all. Not one bit. Perfect. Bye, guys.